Alright guys, today I'm going to review how to multiply decimals in columns. If you logged on to Google Classroom, then you know that there's a worksheet up there for you to look at. So I'm going to go through step by step how to do each one. So the first one is 76.2 multiplied by 0.41. Now, as a reminder, when you are multiplying, your decimal points don't have to line up. You're just going to count how many spaces there are after. So here's 1, here's 2. Together that means 3 spaces. And then you just multiply how you would normally. So what you're going to do first is 1 times 2, which is 2. Then we're going to do 1 times 6, which is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. Then, as we know with multiplying, you put a 0 for the next one. Then you're going to do 4 times 2, which is 8. 4 times 6, which is 24, carry your 2. And 4 times 7, which is 28, plus 2 is 30. Then you're going to add them all together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry your 1. You're going to add your 1 to this 7. So it's really 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry your 1 over here. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 3 plus nothing is 3. So we have 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, and then we have 3 spaces we have to move in. So 1, 2, 3. So your final answer should be 31.242. Okay, for our next one, number 2 on the sheet, we have 4.29 multiplied by 7.3. So if you want, you can already count how many spaces there are. Here we have 2. Here we have 1. So again, it's going to be 3 spaces. So 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Put down your 0. Move on. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 6 is 20. And 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. We're going to add them together. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11, so you're going to carry your 1 to above the 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 3 plus nothing is 3. And then remember, we have 3 spaces, so we're going to go in 1, 2, 3. Put our decimal point, so our answer is 31.317. Okay guys, number 3. We have 34.4 times 0.0 0, 2. Count your spaces. Here we have 1. Here we have 2. So again, it's going to be 3 spaces. Start multiplying. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 again is 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. Put your 0 down. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 4 again is 0. And 0 times 3 is 0. This seems silly because you know 0 times anything is 0, but this is where these are going to come in. So then we're going to add them together, and we get 8, 8, 6, 0. Then we can do our 3 spaces, and we get 0.688. Now, if you hadn't done this part, the second one, where you have to multiply everything by 0, you wouldn't have enough space or digits right here to know that this is a 0, if that makes sense. Sometimes, so like if this was a 1, you would still have to multiply this 0, which sounds super confusing, so don't really worry about it too much right now. Just remember, even if it's a 0, you still have to multiply it out, okay? Alright guys, this is number 4. 4.56 multiplied by 5.6. I'm going to count my spaces first. So here we have 2, here we have 1. So when we get to that part, we're going to move it in 3 spaces. Just for a reminder. Then we can start multiplying. So we have 6 times 6 is 36. So you're going to write your 6 here. Your 3 is going to go above the 5. Then 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. 3 goes down, 3 goes up, and then 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Then you're going to put your 0 down and begin multiplying again. So this time we have 5 times 6, which is 30. You can leave this 30, or you can rewrite it. That one's up to you. Then we're going to do 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 3 is 28. Cross out this 3, write a 2, and then 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Add them together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry your 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 2 plus nothing is 2. And then we're going to move in 3 spaces. So your final answer should be 25.536. Alright guys, this is number 5. So for number 5, we have 6.86 multiplied by 6.9. I'm going to count my spaces. So we'll have 3 at the end to move in. And then we're going to start multiplying. So 6 times 9 is 54. Your 4 goes down, your 5 goes up. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 5 is 77. And 9 times 6 is 54, plus 7 is 61. Put your 0, start again. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to cross this out. I'm going to put a 3 in its place. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. And then 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 is 41. Then we're going to add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 4 plus nothing is 4. Move in 3 spots. Your final answer should be 47.334. Okay, and for our last one, number 6, we have 94.2 multiplied by 0.53. Count your spaces. We'll have 3. Then we're going to start multiplying. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 is 28. Put your 0. 5 times 2 is 10. So we're going to put a 0. And then we'll carry our 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Cross this out and put our 2. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 is 47. Gonna add them together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 4 plus nothing is 4. Move in our 3 spaces. Our answer is 49.926. So, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, I'm here. Always let me know.